Hello everyone, this is Sumit from Team Clat Prep, and first of all, wish you a very happy Republic Day. And as you all know that we are celebrating our 74th Republic Day today, and on 26th of January 1950, our constitution came into effect, and I hope you are aware of all these things. So on this day, Clat Prep is launching a series of the videos in the name of the legal lexicon, whereupon you will be getting 1 or 2 words a day which will be pertaining from the legal side, and these words will be extremely helpful when you will be reading any kind of a passage which are coming in the law entrance examination. देखिए, जिस तरह का पैटर्न अभी क्लैट में आ रहा है, आप सब लोग जानते हैं कि उसके लिए कोई स्पेसिफिक लॉ जानने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट योर रीडिंग पार्ट शुड बी वेरी कंफर्टेबल. And in order to do the interpretation, there are few common words which every one of you should know, and they will make your reading very easy, and definitely your speed will increase, your skill will increase, and definitely you will be having an edge over the other candidates while you are reading a passage which is required for CLAT. So the name of the series will be Legal Lexicon. So by lexicon we means a kind of a dictionary or a compilation of the legal words. तो हम लीगल लेक्सिकॉन में ऐसे सारे वर्ड्स की बात करेंगे, एंड इट विल बी अ डेली वीडियो, सो कीप वॉचिंग दीज वीडियोस. सो टू स्टार्ट विद, as you know and as I have told you that today is 26th of January, Republic Day, so definitely we will be starting with some kind of a thing which is associated with the preamble of India, our constitution. And this is our constitution which you all know. The 5 basic words, that is sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, which are being mentioned in our constitution. First of all, you should understand the meaning of these words, क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि students they know about the preamble, they have read the preamble, but they are not specifically very sure about the words which are being mentioned in the preamble. So let's start with the first word. Now the first word is sovereign. Now what do you mean by sovereign? Like, sovereign means one who has a supremacy or the authority over the others. So in our constitution, India has been designated as a sovereign nation, a sovereign country, which means that India is the supreme power and no internal group or the external authority could undermine the authority of the Indian government. यानी हमारे ऊपर किसी का राज नहीं है, हम इंडिपेंडेंट हैं और कोई हमें गवर्न नहीं कर सकता. हमारा लेजिस्लेशन अपने आप में सफिशिएंट इनफ है और वो अपने तौर तरीकों से इंडिया को गवर्न करेगा. दिस इज द बेसिक मीनिंग ऑफ सॉवरन. लेट्स कम टू द सेकंड वर्ड. इट इज सोशलिस्ट. Now this is the second word which has been mentioned in the Constitution of India in our preamble, which says that the one who works in the benefits of the society as a whole, and it means someone who supports the political or the economic philosophy that says that society as a whole should own or control the things. Now by the socialist we means the general perception that we have to work for the general benefit of the public at large और फॉर द पब्लिक गुड. यानी हमारी जो कंट्री है, हमारी जो गवर्नमेंट है जिसको हम इलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, वो सबके लिए, सबको साथ में लेकर के सबके लिए काम करेगी, पूरी सोसाइटी के लिए काम करेगी. दिस इज द बेसिक मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड सोशलिस्ट. द थर्ड वर्ड, secular. Now I hope you know the meaning of this word. The secular means the one who respects every religion. So our preamble doesn't give us any particular religion. Our country is a secular country, which means that we respect every religion, whether you are Hindu, Muslim, Sikh or Christian, or you are following any other sect or religion. Every religion have got a respect value, and all religions are equal in the terms of the legal rights, and everyone is equal under the constitution. The next word is democracy. Now what is a democracy? It is a kind of the government which is actually elected by the people, and it is for the people, and it is constituted of the representative which are from our side, that is from the people. All the citizens, they have an equal political right in the democracy, and everyone has a right to go to participate in the government. तो जैसा कि आप सभी लोग जानते हैं कि अगर हम लोग चाहें तो हम भी सरकार में पार्टिसिपेशन कर सकते हैं, आप चाहें तो आप लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में जा सकते हैं, आप एमएलए का चुनाव लड़ सकते हैं, आप एमएलसी का चुनाव लड़ सकते हैं, आप लोकसभा में जा सकते हैं और आप हर तरीके से गवर्नमेंट के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में फॉर्मेशन में अपना रोल प्ले कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड डेमोक्रेसी. And the last word for the today's session is the republic. Now it's a government administrated by the elected people as a representative of the population for their benefit. यानी कि बेसिकली हमारे देश को चलाने के लिए जो सरकार बनी है उसमें हम सभी लोगों का इन्वॉल्वमेंट रहेगा और हमारे रिप्रेजेंटेशन के रूप में हमने कुछ लोगों को इलेक्ट किया है. Those who are the elected representative, and they will go to the parliament, they will form the government, they will take the portfolios, but they are representing us as a group of people and they will govern the country for the general benefit of the public at the large. तो I hope आज के वीडियो से आपको इन पांचों वर्ड्स के बारे में क्लैरिटी से पता चला होगा. And please keep watching the videos on the regular basis so that you can update your legal knowledge, and definitely they will be extremely useful for you for the further preparation. So once again, I wish you a very happy Republic Day from the team Clat Prep. Stay watching the videos. Thank you.